Greetings fellow heroes, here's how you can improve FPS in Heroes of Might and Magic Olden era. Before everything, I'll say a short disclaimer first. Results may vary depending on your computer's hardware, graphics drivers, and overall system. This video is meant for those people new to computers or video games, especially those using minimal or not so fast computers. To improve the game's performance, go to the main menu and open up Settings. Then go to the Video tab. Under Graphics, it's mostly best to turn off VSync to prevent the game from syncing its FPS with the monitor's refresh rate. Now if you turn this off, this will make the maximum FPS toggle button available. Let's tick that on, and if let's say your monitor's max refresh rate is 144Hz, let's drag the slider all the way up to 100 maximum FPS. If its max refresh rate is only 60Hz, then let's tone it down to just 60 since if we push it beyond your monitor's refresh rate, it'll look choppy and ugly. If you're experiencing significant frame drops, we'll have to sacrifice some flashy graphics for better FPS. This is advisable for computers with weak GPUs. Set your anti-aliasing to either FXAA or none. Toggle bloom effect off. Then under quality, set the quality preset to low. Make sure to set shadows to low and reflections to none, since they eat a lot of frames. After setting these up, click on Accept and test the game out by playing a quick match. If the shabby graphics don't exactly cater to your taste, you can always make adjustments to the settings again until you find a sweet spot between clean graphics and good FPS. If the FPS hasn't improved at all, then that means your hardware may not be up for it and you may need an upgrade, or your graphics drivers are just outdated. Compare your computer specs to the minimal or recommended specs stated on the game store page for more information. And that's basically all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick game guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.